Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make this 3D Tommyinnit Minecraft skin where you can put anywhere in your house or wall or just show your friends, and we're starting right now. Now before we get into the video, I just wanted to say to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss anything. These are all the Perler Bead colors I used to create the skin. Make sure to pause the video and copy down all of these boards. Once you have finished the patterns, it's time to iron. I'm using parchment paper and the iron is on the cotton setting. You will know when you are done when you see the colors start popping up onto the paper. Once you're done, peel off the paper, flip it over, and then iron the other side. While the beads cool down, place a heavy block on top so the pieces can stay flat. Now we are going to start assembling his head and hair. I have to use a little bit of glue to get the hair on the head. I personally like to use E6000 glue or hot glue. Another Minecraft video is the 3D Minecraft horse. You should definitely check it out. I would totally recommend it. Once the hair is glued on, move it to the side for later. Now bit tricky, so make sure you check in the correct orientation. If you find any pieces fall apart or disconnect easily, you might have to iron them a bit longer. And if you find that they aren't connecting at all, then it could be that they're over ironed, so just watch out for that. Arms are done, so now let's finish with the legs. All the body parts are ready to be assembled together. I'm using toothpicks to allow the body parts to turn. Also, please comment down below what ideas I should make next for future videos. This skin is almost complete. For my final touches, I'm going to make a music disc. Then iron the disc. Finally, Tommy is ready to be equipped with the disc to give him that finishing touch. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please consider subscribing. It would really make my day. And goodbye everyone. I'll see you next time.